Scott, it's Joe. Hey, buddy. I wanted to share something with you. I just got this website and listing approved by Google. This one right here. Boom. Camarillo Kitchen and Bath Remodel. I don't know if you know that I build websites and I get them to rank on Google. Um, I've been doing this since 2014, right after I got my case. I started taking classes and doing stuff just in case, I needed to do something else. So since 2014, I've been doing this, and then when I went down, I did some stuff over there, some classes on SEO, and so um, I've been able to rank a number of sites. I've been given leads to uh, crews right here. If I do plumber near me, I'm in Camarillo. I'm sitting here in my house in Santa Rosa, and the business I created out of here out of Camarillo. So Google Local will find the closest plumber, and this is me. This is the one I created, and you'll see the number 507 70 80. And I've been sending these two crews. These are the calls that come in 507 70 80. Um, Today I got one, and let's see here. Yeah, they're just like this is my pool cleaning site. Here's another one yesterday. Here's another one. Here's another one. So see, so these leads are coming in, and for different things, obviously. And so I get these things to rank. I build the website. This is the website. This is what it looks like. I do a lot of content, photos. I do uh, I do the stuff that needs to be done to get these things to rank. Um, this is kind of a sample of the website. Okay. I also do, I have one for pool cleaning, pool cleaning service near me. Can I show you a couple of these? And this is my site here. So I rent these sites. I rent this one. This guy pays me 450 a month. Uh, this is my house. This is the GMB, the Google My Business. But I'm the first one on Google searches. Again, I get them to rank on top, get them to be on the we call it the map pack. Yeah, so this is the one for pool cleaning, and the 222 number, you'll see it here on my call tracking system. Pool cleaning. Bam. Let's see if separates these two boogers. I know that they mixed them here with the plumbers, but here's all 222, 16, 13, with all these calls that come in for pool cleaning. So in March I've had all these calls. All right, so anyway, I think you'll get the picture. So I'm building this. I'm looking, trying to find somebody. I know you're doing construction. I don't know if you would be interested in the leads that are going to be coming in from here. This just got approved uh, today or yesterday, 15 hours ago. Thank you for contacting Google, blah, blah, blah. It was suspended, right? So now I got it off a suspension. So my license been reinstated. Boom. So it's live. You can see here it's live. Okay, so I'm gonna start building it and start doing what I do, the SEO to get it to rank. And I'm gonna start getting calls for kitchen and bath remodels in Camarillo, uh, Newbury Park. These Ventura County areas is what I did. Mainly. And so just want to hook up with somebody. Like I said, I know you're doing some construction work. I don't know if this is something you'd be interested in. Um, if you already have a Google My Business, and if you already have a website and all that, and you're getting leads, great. If you want more, this is another option. If you want to take ownership of this one, we can work something out. I do uh, SEO takes time, so I wouldn't say here I'm going to sell you this site. It's a monthly thing. I have to do SEO every month, because what you don't want to do is get 50,000 likes on your Instagram or Facebook because that's not natural. And Facebook and Google, they'll penalize you because you're buying likes and you're buying followers. Unless you're like the Kardashians or, somebody famous, then that's normal. So SEO for a business is slower. I add content to it. I add photos. I add backlinks, citations. I do stuff slowly, like if it's growing naturally. And so it takes time. If you ever ask somebody about SEO, they'll tell you, yeah, it's 500 bucks a month, and I'll help you rank because again they can't do it in 1 month. It's something that takes time, a year or 2 years. And obviously once you start getting calls and big jobs, the fee that I charge, is irrelevant. This guy here like I said, this guy here pays me 450 a month. The plumbing side pays me 350 a month. This guy here, Mr. Clean, he's in Arizona. I built this site for him in March of last year, and he pays me 450 a month. This is a nice, really nice site. This is the Mr. Clean pool cleaner, and Google Pool Services in Avondale. These are paid ads here. This is the first organic search. So he's one, two, three, four, five, six. He's seven out of, I don't know, hundreds. I don't know, maybe tens. But and again, he's been last month he built 13,000 in pool cleaning service. And so moral of the story is, what I do works, and you'll begin the calls if you're interested. Okay, so let me know. We can chat uh, about it if you're interested. Give me a call. If not, it's all good. I just gotta find somebody. The calls are not gonna come in probably for another month, and then summer's coming. That's why I created this because I know people are gonna start doing jobs in the summer, and it should be pretty, pretty up there. If I do, let's see here, kitchen and cabinet remodel near me. Let me see what comes up. And I'm not there yet because it just got approved today or last night. So I'm not gonna show up yet. It takes a couple of days to see where I'm gonna be, but I'm probably gonna be way on the bottom because I haven't done any SEO on it. But this is who comes up here, and I know I can beat these guys pretty good. So anyway, this is where I'll be showing up when people search. Uh, okay, bud. Talk to you soon. If you're interested again, give me a holler. Bye.